Opening your Thetford door is simple. Turn the key to the right, then press both buttons together to release the door. Once open, you can remove the toilet cassette, which features a handle and travel wheels for easy transport to a dump site. At the dump site, turn the spout, remove the cap, press the air release button, and pour the contents into the designated area. Once empty, slide the cassette back into place, ensuring the handle is securely clipped in. You can then return inside, and add a drop-in tablet or toilet breakdown solution directly through the toilet bowl.